Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn Matra. We are going to learn Matra. But before we start with our third topic, we will revise the topic that we learned yesterday, and that is Kana. You can see the sign in red color. This sign is called Kana. Repeat after me, Kana. Very good. And this sign gives a sound to the letter. This sign gives a sound to the letter. For example, you just have to read the letter after me. Okay? Ta. Repeat. Very good. Tha. Repeat. Very good. Da. Repeat. Very good. Dha. Repeat. Very good. Na. Repeat. Very good. Because A is long vowel, every letter with Kana is considered to be long vowels because it gives A sound, right? And today we are going to learn E sound that you can see in blue color. Today we are going to learn which sound? E sound. Yes, very good. This sign you can see in blue color is called Velanti. Repeat after me. Very good. So if you put this sign on any letter, that letter is going to sound like E. जर तुम्ही ही खूण कुठल्याही लेटरला देता तर तो लेटर ई सारखा होईल, त्याचा उच्चार ई सारखा होईल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, रिपीट द लेटर आफ्टर मी. द प्लस Velanti. Repeat. The. Very good. And also when we are using this sign, we write it before the letter. So here first we have written the sign, and here for second we wrote the. First we wrote the sign and then we wrote the. Understood? Very good. So this Velanti gave E sound to the letter the, and the became the. ही जी वेलांटी आहे ना, त्या वेलांटीने द ला ई चा साऊंड दिला आणि द चा झाला दी. रिपीट. दी. 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 व्हेरी गुड. दिवा. रिपीट. दिवा. रिपीट. व्हेरी गुड. सेकंड एग्जाम्पल इज ग plus Velanti. Repeat. Gi. Repeat. Very good. So this Velanti gave E sound to the letter G, and G became Gi. Repeat. Gi. Very good. ही जी वेलांटी आहे ना, या वेलांटीने ग ला ई चा साऊंड दिला आणि ग चा झाला गी. रिपीट द लेटर गी. Very good. Let's read the word. Gidhada. Repeat. Gidhada. Repeat. Very good. Let's see third example. Ta plus Velanti. Repeat. Ti. Repeat. Very good. So this Velanti gives E sound to the letter ta, and it becomes, and ta becomes ti. Repeat. Very good. ही वेलांटी या त ला ई चा साऊंड देते आणि त चा होतो ती. रिपीट. व्हेरी गुड. लेट्स रीड वर्ड. लेट्स रीड द वर्ड. तिवई. रिपीट. तिवई. रिपीट. व्हेरी गुड. V plus Velanti. Repeat. V. Repeat. Very good. So this Velanti gives E sound to the letter V, and V becomes V. Repeat. ही वेलांटी या V ला E चा साऊंड देते आणि या V चा होतो V. Repeat. Very good. Read after me the word. Vimana. Repeat. विमान. Repeat. Very good. Now as you all know, E is short vowel. E ऱ्हस्व स्वर आहे बरोबर. तर आपण वेलांटी कुठल्याही व्यंजनाला लावली असता त्या व्यंजनाचा उच्चार ई सारखा होतो बरोबर. इफ वी पुट दिस साइन ऑन एनी लेटर, दॅट लेटर इज गोइंग टू साउंड लाईक ई, राईट. For example, let's read some letters. You just have to repeat them after me, okay? Repeat just the answer which is underlined in yellow color. K plus velanti ki. Repeat only the answer. Very good. K plus velanti ki. Read the answer. Very good. G plus velanti gi. Read the answer. Very good. Gh plus velanti ghi. Read the answer. Very good. While reading, did you notice we read the letters quickly that had velanti? For example, ki. Read. Ki. Gi. Ghi. व्हेरी गुड. जेव्हा आपण या वर्णांचा उच्चार करत होतो तेव्हा तुम्ही नीट ऐकलं असेल, आपण या वर्णांचा उच्चार पटकन केला बरोबर. ह्या सगळ्या वर्णाचा उच्चार आपण पटकन केला. तर जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या वर्णाला वेलांटी देतो तेव्हा त्याचा उच्चार ई सारखा होतो आणि तो वर्ण म्हणजेच लेटर ऱ्हस्व स्वरामध्ये मोडला जातो, कारण ई हा ऱ्हस्व स्वर आहे आणि आपण त्या वर्णाला म्हणजेच लेटरला ईचा उच्चार देतो म्हणून. सो नाउ दॅट वी गिव्ह वेलांटी टू द लेटर, इट साउंडेड लाईक ई अँड ई इज short vowel. So all the letters with velanti are considered to be short vowels. For example, repeat the letter after me. Ki, khi, gi, ghi. Because they have e sound in it, they all are considered to be short vowels. So now that we saw what is velanti and how it gives e sound to the letter, let's write some letters with velanti and read them loudly. So open your Marathi notebook and take a pencil in your hand and be ready. Yes, very good. K and velanti before the letter. Ki. Repeat. Very good. Kh and velanti before the letter. Khi. Repeat. Very good. G and velanti before the letter. Gi. Repeat. Very good. Gh and velanti before the letter. Ghi. Repeat. Very good. Ch and velanti before the letter. Chi. Repeat. Very good. Ch and velanti before the letter. Chi. Repeat. Very good. Z and velanti before the letter. Z. Repeat. Very good. Z and velanti before the letter. Zhi. Repeat. Very good. Ta and velanti before the letter. T. Repeat. Very good. Tha and Velanti before the letter. T. Repeat. Very good. D. And Velanti before the letter. D. Repeat. Very good. D. And Velanti before the letter. D. Repeat. Very good. N. And Velanti before the letter. Ni. Repeat. Very good. Ta. And Velanti before the letter. Ti. Tha. And Velanti before the letter. Thi. Repeat. Very good. The. And Velanti before the letter. The. Repeat. Very good. The. And Velanti before the letter. The. Repeat. Very good. Na. And Velanti before the letter. Ni. Repeat. Very good. Pa. And Velanti before the letter. P. Very good. Fa. And Velanti before the letter. Fi. Very good. Pa. And Velanti before the letter. B. Very good. Bha. And Velanti before the letter. Bhi. Very good. Ma. And Velanti before the letter. Me. Very good. Ya. And Velanti before the letter. Ye. Very good. Ra. And Velanti before the letter. Ri. Very good. La. And Velanti before the letter. Li. Very good. Va. And Velanti before the letter. V. Very good. Sha. And Velanti before the letter. She. Very good. Sha. And Velanti before the letter. She. Very good. Sa. Sa. And Velanti before the letter. C. Very good. Ha. And Velanti before the letter. He. Very good. Ra. Ra. And Velanti before the letter. Ri. Very good. Ksha. And Velanti before the letter. Kshi. Very good. Tra. And Velanti before the letter. Tri. Nya. And Velanti before the letter. Ni. Very good. So now that we saw how to write and read the letter with Velanti, let's read some words. You have to repeat the words after me, okay? Shipai. Read. Shipai. Read. Very good. Jina. Read. Jina. Read. Very good. Giraffe. Read. Giraffe. Read. Very good. Pivala. Read. Pivala. Read. Very good. Divas. Read. Divas. Read. Very good. Ganita. Read. Ganita. Read. Very good. Sitafala. Read. Sitafala. Read. Very good. Kshatriya. Read. Kshatriya. Read. Very good. Nila. Read. Nila. Read. Very good. Rickshaw. Read. Rickshaw. Read. Very good. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.